Exhaust system types and components. What is exhaust system? An exhaust manifold is responsible for collecting the exhaust gases from the cylinder head in the engine. After this, the exhaust gases are diverted from all the cylinders of the engine using the exhaust manifold, which acts as a funnel which then releases them through a single opening referred to as the front pipe. As the final step, the gases will pass through a silencer or a muffler, which makes a clean system in your car and ensures its smooth running. Types of exhaust system. 1. Single exit exhaust. The single exit pipe is one of the most common type of exhaust systems, which has the single exit type. One can find these fit on the cars and trucks which are bought from the dealer. These cannot be referred to as the most efficient pipes, rather they are the cheapest to manufacture as well as install. The exit of the pipe shall always be on the passenger side of the car. 2. Dual exit exhaust. The dual rear exit exhaust system refers to as that system which is generally installed in the sportier cars or is added to make a vehicle seem sporty in look. It gives a really deeper note to the exhaust and thus makes the sound of the engine even more powerful. This system comprises of two exhaust pipes on the opposite sides of the car. It is important to know that pipes are not bent around the wheels unlike the other ones. 3. Opposite dual exhaust. These types of exhausts are used there where the dual rear exhaust systems cannot bend. Opposite dual exhaust systems are installed as they work a bit differently as compared to the other exhausts. These are wrapped around the wheel with a bend to add a filtering process. These type of exhausts will be seen more on vehicles which are used for towing large loads. 4. Dual side exhaust. A dual side exhaust system refers to as that system which has two pipes next to each other on one side. These two pipes are used to expel gases more efficiently as compared to the single exit pipes. The look and sound of these exhausts is similar to that of the high-performance system, which offers some enhancement in the performance. 5. High-performance exhaust. High-performance exhaust systems are comparatively more expensive, which is found doing a highly efficient job of filtering out the gases. Whereas, these are not the standard and should not be fitted to the vehicle aftermarket, but in some cases the high-performance exhaust system is found increasing the efficiency of a car and also the performance of the engine. Components of exhaust system. 1. Tailpipe and exhaust. In vehicles like trucks, there are silencers is crossways under the front of the cab wherein its tailpipe blows out sideways to the offside. The side of a passenger car on which the exhaust exits under the rear bumper indicates that the market for which the vehicle was designed, as most of the vehicles are found having exhausts on the right, so they are furthest. The final length of the exhaust pipe is counted from its end from where the vent is open to air. 2. Catalytic converter. There are various systems which eliminate the catalytic converter. It slowly and gradually became the US legal requirement where it became mandatory to have a catalytic converter. The converters might not be removed from the vehicle, which are particularly used for off-roading. The main aim of a catalytic converter in an automobile industry is to decrease the harmful emissions of gases like hydrocarbons, carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxides into the atmosphere. 3. Exhaust pipe. The piping refers to the one which is found connecting all the individual components of the exhaust system, which is commonly called the exhaust pipe. If the diameter of the pipe is too small, then the power at high RPM will be decreased, whereas too large diameter can be responsible for reducing the torque at low RPM, which might cause the exhaust to sit lower at the ground, and thus intending to increase the risk of it being hit and damaged while the car is in motion. 4. Muffler. The main role of a muffler is to decrease the effect of noise which is emitted from the engine. These are mainly installed inside the exhaust systems of any particular internal combustion engines. The series of passages and chambers is lined with a fiberglass insulation which resonates the chambers, which helps the sound waves to cancel out. 5. Turbocharger. The turbocharger is that which comprises a pair of fans which aims to increase the amount of air that is entering the engine in order to add more power to the engine. This allows to deliver and operate the vehicle quite efficiently at any possible kind of altitude. 6. Lake pipes. The name Lake Pipes is derived from its vast usage on the empty dry lake beds northeast of Los Angeles County, where the specialists of engine interchanged and evaluated one-piece header manifolds of varying thicknesses, temperature, humidity, elevation and climate in which they anticipated. Thanks for watching.